friends, my name is Sambreen and welcome to my channel. Today we are searching how to make money online, offline, at home. There is a website. They tell us 25 ways to make money online and offline at home. So let's go. We are taking to read this how to make money online. Its first step, pick up freelance work online. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr and freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs such as writing, programming, designing, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. And the second one is test websites and apps. Another way to make money from home is one sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your uh, thoughts on how well or not so well create certain websites and apps worked. You will have to complete a short test to be accepted, then you will be paid depending on the test type. Usertesting.com does not disclose an exact amount. And the third one is pick up task on Amazon's mechanical truck. And we are not discussing on Amazon in this video. We are discussing easy ways to make money online. Take survey. Fourth step, take survey for money. You can make money from home by taking online surveys, but do not accept to be ruling in the though survey sites does not typically offer a big payoff, and many sites are more useful for earning gift cards than cash. Some of the more popular survey sites include Sevakbucks and Survey Junkie. Read our analyze of survey sites to find out which one is the best for you. Make money. Fifth one is make money from your blog as an affiliate. If you are a blogger who gets decent traffic, you could make money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliates that you get paid when someone clicks through from the website to the partner site and buy something there. Some vloggers make a lot of money this way. Read more about affiliate marketing and other way vloggers can make money. And the sixth one is sell your wares on Etsy. This is a site where you sell your things, goods, and make money online. Have a if you have woodworking, jewelry making, embroidery and or poetry, so sell your goods on Etsy. They go to site for selling home goods, art, and Etsy boasted about 96 million active buyers and grossers over 13.5 billion in merchant sales in 2021 according to data from satellite. And the seventh one is get advertising revenue from your blog or YouTube channel. Turn your cat video into cash video. If your YouTube videos or blog posts draw a big audience, you may be able to make money from advertising. YouTube sets 1,000 subscribers as the benchmark creators must make before applying for the YouTube partner program. YouTube partners then get access to Google AdSense, a survey business pay through to advertise around your content. The survey is free, but there are requirements you must meet. And if you want to read, you click this site. It one is become an Instagram influence. And the third one, monetize your voice channel. 10th one is sell your photography. And 11th one, become a dog walker or dog sitter. You can do it. Sell unused gift cards. List your spare bedroom on Arabian. How to make money offline. 14th number है sell your gently used clothes. Get a babysitting gig. 16th number. So 17th number, rent out your car. It's lot of things you can online earning, and I hope you will start your